Good morning, guys. Welcome to Pioneer Advanced Hair Transplant Center. Today we are talking about crown and importance. Most of the patients, if you can observe, the crown is very much important, the patient aspects as well as the surgical aspects also. Why this crown is important is, basically, crown is the highest point on the head. So any small minor irregularities in the cosmetic way, like density loss or even baldness, why this crown is most important is basically crown is the highest point on the head. Any minor irregularities in that area which draws more attention to it and which is more noticeable, so that's the patient perspective and that's a reality too. And very small changes in the crown, density loss, etc., would appear more baldness there. That's a kind of a problematic to the patients. When it comes to the surgical aspects, it's unlike other hair transplant doing in the frontal area. Crown area implantation definitely challenging for the doctors. Why? Because basically it's because of the crown placement. Whether a few guys has the swivel placement in the right side, some guys have a swivel placement on the left side. Sometimes some guys have double swivel. So the swivel angulations and placement definitely makes challenging while implanting the grafts, because angulations are differs from front to the crown area. So that's the challenging aspect for the surgeons while doing the transplantation. So, crown implantation definitely can be done by looking at the existing swirl angulations and orientation. That definitely gets you the good density. This patient had a single swirl, and we could able to implant in a natural manner a good density. After 10 months, we achieved excellent density. Here, expertise hands and a meticulous way of planning and implanting is really important in the crown area. Whereas in the frontal area, usually we implant in a straight angulations are very simple. When it comes to the crown, definitely more attention, more precision definitely required. So, there are few patients actually, crown always requires second session also. Unfortunately, this patient had one session and we achieved fantastic density. But whereas a few cases, crown demands second session also because of these factors, like we already discussed about the angulations and everything. That's what for the crown results. Keep watching our YouTube for more updates on hair transplantation results. Thank you.